Okay, so we have just finished doing a CarPlay retrofit on this Mercedes E-Class 2018. So the original factory system on this vehicle is an NTG 5.5. So I've got just Luke with me here. He's just going to run through the features and the installation, etc. So over to you, Luke.
Right, so as you will see, you have your original screen on here, so we don't actually change any of your screens. To go in and out of the menu, you press and hold the back button down on your scroller. That will go into your new CarPlay menu. As you can see, obviously through CarPlay, you have the ability to scroll. You'll have things such as music, Waze, Maps, Spotify, you name it, it will be on there. So that is your current Waze. We have Spotify available, all your library and everything will be downloaded through here as well. We have your normal Safari maps, they'll be on there as well. You have split screen on the very far left, so it gives you music and maps all in one place. 3 most recently used icons on the far left hand side, so if you're used to Waze, the Google icon will change to Waze, etc. In terms of reversing cameras, the car has original reverse, so if we put the vehicle into reverse, it retains the factory one, and once you go back to park or drive, it will go back to its normal CarPlay setting.
Okay, great. What's the actual interface that was used on this?
We'll install a device similar to this. Obviously with this itself, obviously it's behind the actual units of your car, so in between your radio and the screen. On this particular vehicle, obviously we offer the installation service when you purchase it through us. Obviously with this particular one, you have to remove your whole center console of the vehicle to gain access to the rest of it, and then re-put everything back in.
Okay, I noticed you used the scroller thing here.
Yeah.
What about the steering wheel?
So steering wheel, because it's in conjunction with the original system, all the volume up and down on your steering wheel, calls, answer machines, you know, mute buttons, all of that stuff retains as normal. It controls from the steering wheel, it's fine.
Okay, and I know we're talking about CarPlay, so I guess this supports Android as well, is that right?
Yep, so it supports wireless and wired versions of CarPlay and Android Auto as well.
Okay, fantastic upgrade. So all you Mercedes owners out there without CarPlay or Android Auto, if you'd like to get this fantastic and popular upgrade done, get in contact with us.